Okay, in our basic layout, also we have another panel on the bottom, which is have information about our materials. So it's a summary of materials. This is very nice, easy way to access. As we work on plants or we work on some specific segments, we can go inside and assign some materials to those segments specifically. But also right on the bottom, you have access to preview what you have, what materials you have this, and also best parts, you can edit them. So for example, right here, we have a default. If we double time click, or on the bottom, you can go and open for edit. You'll notice we have a material editor, and it's look familiar for those who work in Vue. This is our basic material editor. Even it says right here button advanced material editor and top is basic. It's actually should say switch to advanced material editor, so we can change it. Right here we have our preview with simple options. We'll look a little bit closer. We have additional options, add layer in this case, or create a two-sided, which is a very big plus when you work with the leaves. It was very kind of nice options. We have our colors. Currently I used image mapping, and we'll have a bump map. As well, we have any specific lighting like highlights or backlights for the leaves if we want to add it, or create somewhat glowing type. So we can create this one. This is mapped. It also can create a different type of for example, right here with the colors. And as well, when it can have it highlights and creating something more like a glass look, right, the effect. One different, of course, most time we will work in advanced material editor, and we can switch by clicking on advanced material. Okay, and you notice right here, it's very similar to what we have it inside the Vue, but most important, we have it all of these tabs that we're going to use. For example, we have the bumps, highlights, transparency, reflections, translucency, and effects. And currently, because it's a little bit glowing, you can see right here I have it, my luminosity is enabled, and I don't have this access in a basic material. So some of those properties we do need access advanced material. As well, you can see right here we have all these properties for materials. Again, will be specific sessions on materials where we're going a little bit more closer over all these properties, how we can use it, what all they mean. But right now, just notice we have it basic as a default, and we have it advanced as material also editor. On the bottom, we also have it preview type of material glass, and we can add new material if we need it. But overall, right on the bottom, we have it summaries for the materials that we're using currently on our plant.